Hi everybody, my name is Tegan and today we're going to learn about 2D shapes. Let's start with a triangle. Hi triangle, let's count how many sides a triangle has. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. How many sides does a triangle have? That's right, 3. Next is a circle. Let's count how many sides. Wait, it does not have any sides. That means it has 0 sides. How many sides does a circle have again? Right, it is 0. Next, let's start with an oval. It has 0 sides as well. It's like a circle, but it's a bit longer. So how many sides does an oval have? That's right, it is 0. Next is a square. Let's count how many sides a square has. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 equal sides. How many sides does it have? Right, it is 4 equal sides. Next is a rectangle. Let's count how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. A rectangle is like a square, but a bit longer. Next is we're gonna do a pentagon. Let's count how many sides a pentagon has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. Wait, I forgot how many sides it has. Can you remember? Right, it is 5. Lastly is a hexagon. Let's count how many sides a hexagon has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. Wait, I forgot again. Can you remember? Oh, thank you for reminding me. It's 6. Thank you for learning shapes with me. If you want to learn more, please click the subscribe button down below. And don't forget, you are what you practice, so practice well. Bye. You are what you practice, so practice well. And press the bell. Bye.